Ooh, let me straighten the camera. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Viper Tactical VX Flat Pack. I think that's what it's called. Let's open it up. See what we've got inside. Box all the way. Inside we have the pack itself. Let's open it up. I got it in multicam. It looks pretty much the same as the Heli Strategic Flat Pack. Let me just get this label off here. So, on the back, there is straps so you can wear it as a normal backpack, but that is not what I'm going to be using it for. I'm going to be running it just on the back of my plate carrier because that's how you can also run it. So what you used to do is take these straps out. If you've got those out, you just have to do the same for the ones down the bottom. I have no clue how to get these off. Well, there's buckles here. Let me just unbuckle these now. Right, so once you've got these off, I'm probably going to have to find a way to attach these somehow, like to snug the bag down, but for now, the bag looks lovely for first looks. I'll come back to you once I've got all these off. There we go, got them all off, and now we just have this for the webbing on the back of a plate carrier. And this will just molly on right on the back. There's a hole in the top here. You can put your hydration bladder. Inside, you have a sleeve for your hydration bladder. Good size closed admin pouches. Patch for your real estate. Another admin pouch for grenades. I think this pouch you can expand up as well. So if you undo the expanding zip on the outside, there we go, got it. So this pouch opens out to expand extra, and there's zips close. I'm probably going to be using it flat, but then there is also the main compartment which you can unzip to make it double the size, which is pretty freaking good. But I'm mostly just going to be using it as a flat pack, completely flat, just so I can put bits and bobs in it, like BBs, speed loaders, that kind of thing. So that's it. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the back of my plate carrier now. Don't know if you can see that, but there it is on the back of my Warrior Assault Systems DCS. I will give you a wee better angle now. There it is on the back of my DCS Warrior Assault Systems. That sits perfectly. It fits well. It fits within the shape of the Warrior Assault System DCS, and I think it looks pretty good. Now I'm just going to put my water bladder in, and I'll give you my final thoughts. So, straighten it over there. There we have my water bladder in the back compartment. Fits perfectly. The cellar's really slim, and the hose just runs round through my shoulder straps and onto the front. So that's all for me. Thanks guys for watching.